intake manifold going in, and throttle body.
How long was all depressed after we first did it?
Well, the original is out, ready to put in the new gaskets and drop it in. If anybody wanted to know what it looks like, there it is. And here it is, just soft mounted. We haven't put the bolts back in yet. But you definitely get to see a lot more of the orange Mopar color. It's definitely coming along. Hey guys, everything's in with a little bit of brief with the 90mm throttle body. Decided to put the stock one back in. Seems to run now fine. But put the covers on. Gonna have to figure out what the deal with that. So definitely looking good. Coming together nicely.